Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G56, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, you'll want to turn off your device by holding power button and volume up, and select power off. And when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up again. Actually, sorry, I think it's going to be volume down. Trying to remember which one I was holding. Okay, before I do that, I'm just gonna check. So I do have a... Bear with me. Yep, so it's volume down. Okay, so let's get on to that. Power button, volume down. Ah, there we go. And here's our bootloader. So in this mode you will need to use the volume buttons to navigate up or down, which each option will be visible one by one right here. And when it's selected, you just need to confirm it with the power button. Now going over them, we have start, which takes us back to Android, restart bootloader, which just brings us back here, recovery mode, power off, barcodes, bootloader logs, and we're back to start. So I'm gonna stick with this option, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this will now just bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.